This technique is going to show you a short time lapse of creating a line design in the background of the still life. However, it could be interesting to incorporate a line design onto some of the objects in your still life drawing. That could be done with Sharpie, pen, even with color. So maybe colored pencil, pastels. But think about trying to use some sort of line design to just bring things to life. Here are two examples. The one on the left is obviously not a still life, but you can see some different line designs that were incorporated into the bird here. So thinking about form and cross-hatching and how you can do some sort of unique design. The one on the right is just an example of maybe a background design that you could use. Or try Google searching Zentangle designs where you have some sort of design that's on or inside of different shapes. So I'm going to go ahead and play this time lapse of putting together a line design in the background. For this, I'm just using the thin side of my Sharpie, and I'm outlining around all of the objects just to separate them from the background. So this could be a cool first step just to separate things out. And then I'm breaking it up into a bunch of different larger sections where I will then fill in my smaller designs inside of those larger sections. So it is pretty similar to a Zentangle where you just are breaking things up and creating different designs. I'm keeping it pretty simple for my design in the background where I'm just using smaller lines for the design here, and I'm spreading it out. So I'm not filling in every single box with this design, but I'm moving it around a little bit. And then I chose a different type of line design for some of the other shapes. So that way there's some variation within my design. I could then even go in with some color and add some color on top of the design here, or even add color to some of the fruit or add a specific line design to the foreground. So be creative with it. There's so many different things you can do. Again, try Google searching Zentangle and see some of the different options and different types and styles of designs that you could incorporate into your still life.